Be welcome, boys and girls, olders and youngers, to the Cat Theater. Today we're performing the story of a little cat, written by the Bogotan author Rafael Pombo. You guys guess who is it? Yeah, the Crook Cat. Hey, wait a minute, not so fast. For you to get in the theater, I need you to show me your ticket. What? Why you don't have it? The only thing that we need is a heart. There you go. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed the performance. Now you can get in. Let's go, let's go. Michin said his mom, "I'm going to become a crook, and the one who messes with me will die in the act. I stole Dad his dagger and guns. Now I'm armed and ready, and I'm going to kill and steal people. And nevermore, keep in mind, you will see Michin since today." He went to a mound and found a rooster on his road, and he said, "Let's see how my aiming is for killing." He took his look and shot. The mound rumbled with the explosion. Michin mistreated his emotion and burned his whiskers, but with his neck broken, the rooster fell dead. Later, he claimed for stealing, tempted by his hunger, to the nest of an owl, who was very angry, and with fury for seeing him, she inflamed. But the branch broke, his guns and hat flew out, and with infernal noises from the owl, our little crook fell, having groans and howls. Recovered from his drop, he saw another cat and proceeded with the robbery. "My friend! Stop right there! Give me your back of your life!" The other cat didn't get intimidated, and he yelled, "Stop, thief!" Michin shot, and the gun exploded by the butt, and our little crook almost smashed himself by a contusion. The other day, he found a great bandit dog. He got closer with affection and care. "Comrade," he said, "let's celebrate our aliens." And that happened. They laughed, danced, and drank. But finally, Michin fell off surrendered, scratching his belly. "Buddy," the dog said, "we have to count our money and get it secure. Buy it." They started counting the money, and a great fight formed, until the dog took a big stick with two paws. It buzzed and fell, and our little crook, almost dead, fell off. With the new day, Michin recovered his senses, but he was sad, hungry, and without a penny. And his rival was laughing and barking, but with his ears down and the tail between his paws, Michin cried all his mistakes. He picked up his little hat, and under the sun, step by step, he came back home. "I confess my crimes and accept the punishments I deserve," he said to his mom. "And you may know that I will never be bad anymore. Oh, dear mommy, hit me with a stick, but give me something to eat." Thank you so much for coming to the Cat Theater. We hope you enjoyed our performance. And remember, don't push while you live. We hope you come back soon. And one more time with all your friends. Thank you and goodbye.